and that I will protect and uphold
the sovereignty
Mieri kuma riria mutongoria wa Uhuru Kenyatta areire mwihitwa wa guthamaka ikereka ria keri na ria muthia ria utongoria wake umuthi ni anireire ndundu njeru ya maminista.
We are still in the process of finalizing cabinet and restructuring of government. But today I have a few names that I would like to read.
Thiini wa rianirira riri president abatiririe muikarigiti wa kamiti ya kuramata uruti wira wa muingi Margaret Kobia na kumutua minister wa uruti wira wa muingi Mbeu Njithi na Maiganani. Amina Mohamed niwe wendekithitio ta minister wa githomo na Eugene Wamalwa niwe wihokeirwo kuramata ministry ya utabarukia wa mahinya. Agiaria mabararitio ni uri urari mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya maundu ma nanja Monica Juma uri riu niwe kuramata ministry ya minister. Governor wa ukabere wa Meru Peter Munya agathondekirwo ministry njeru ya maundu ma gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro na rugongo rwa bururi nake muru nawe wa Marsabit Uhuru Kenyatta niwe kurugamirira ministry ya uruti wira.
For the efficient operation of government and indeed taking into account the need of having a government that reflects the diversity of our nation, and indeed one that can help me deliver on my mandate and pledge to Kenyans.
Keriako Tobiko niwe minister wa maria maturigiceirie. Senator wa ukabere wa Turukana John Munyez aliramataga ministry njeru ya maguta na weji wa mahiga magoro na akiori urari mutongoria wa Mbeu Njithi kiama-ini kia ODM Rashida Chesa niwe minister wa mathako. Farida Karonei niwe wendekithitio gutuika minister wa migunda na Cecily Kariuki niwe uriramataga ministry ya ugima mwega wa mwiri. Ageni Henry Tich uri oguthie na mbere ta minister wa kigina, Rachel Omamo ta minister wa biraru, Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ta minister wa ugitiri wa thiini, Charles Ketel ta minister wa hinya wa kuhuthika na Mwangi Kionjuri ari minister wa urimi. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju acaguritwo ta minister ona tari na ministry. Ona thegia ya guthingererio ni ikundi cia atumia acagure atumia kenda ndundu-ini ya maminister, mutongoria wa bururi acagurite atumia atandatu tu hari maminister 21. Akiaria thingira-ini wa iregi miaraho ya umuthi, president niaugire giturwa kia mutabania wa mihang'o ministry-ini gigukorwo ari gia kugacirithia murutire wa wira wa thirikari na njira ya unyitaniri.
I have decided to establish a new position in government, the position of Chief Administrative Secretary in all our ministries. The Chief Administrative Secretary will broadly be responsible for helping the Cabinet Secretary to better coordinate the running of the affairs of their respective ministries.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.